Morning guys, it's Christmas morning, so first off, Merry Christmas. This is just a quick video really to touch base with you, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, etc. And I was out last night with some friends and my wife, and should put that the other way around really. I was out last night with my wife and some friends. Dear oh dear. And yeah, I mentioned I'd made some Christmas pudding mead, so I'm going to have to siphon that off and go and give it to some of my friends. It won't get wasted, and hopefully enjoy it today, Christmas Day. So yeah, while I'm siphoning this off, it'll only take a couple of minutes. I've noticed there's an awful lot of subscribers coming on the channel, and sure enough, I just sat down at the computer this morning and just fired off a couple of replies to some comments, and I realise how many comments are coming in now, and I'm not keeping up with it all. So if I've not replied to you, I'm sorry. I do spend a fair bit of time throughout the day replying to comments, but what I have noticed is, because we're developing this little bit of a community on this channel, that other people are replying for me. Knowledgeable people that, they're replying with obviously knowledge from their experience of this great hobby. And for that, I thank you, and Merry Christmas to you too. So yeah, that's great, and it helps. It sure does, because I think as the channel grows, I'm probably, it's just me. I don't have anyone helping me. I have my wife for a sounding board for opinions and whatnot on the videos I make, but yeah, I don't have anyone helping me. No editors or stuff like that. It's just me. So going forward, the more subscribers to the channel, and the more comments on every video, the less likely I am to be able to reply to them all, which is a bit sad really, because I love that personal touch. But anyway, like I said, I'll try and reply to as many as possible, or if I can. But, right, let's get some mead into these bottles. I have actually done the video for this Christmas pudding mead, but I've not had time to edit it yet, so I'm hoping to edit it between Christmas and New Year and get it done for it. It tastes great, and I might have a little taste even though it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm still in my pyjamas. So yeah, let's get this siphoned off. I'll have a little toast with you. Oh. Use the manual siphon this morning. Might get a mouthful, oh dear. Oh, sure enough. God, that's good. This just tastes of Christmas, guys. It's so good. I'm not a big fan of Christmas pudding, but my God, I'm a fan of this stuff. It smells and just tastes sublime. So yeah, while I slap this video on, guys, let us know what you're having for a drink today. I'm going to have a couple of small glasses of this with my Christmas meal, and we've got some more traditional wine that we're going to drink. Maybe a cider or two. Ooh, I got a glass at hat. This glass reminds me of my dad so much, so it puts a smile on my face. Okay. Got a bit of the sediment with that one, guys. That's a bit cloudy. Let that one settle. Look at these bottles, aren't these great? They're a Pinot Grigio bottle there, but they're brilliant. Look at them. Okay, that one's got a lot in, so. Merry Christmas, guys. Just a little bit. It won't be too bad. We're just having a little chat. Cheers. That's only a month old. I think it was the 22nd of December when I brewed that. Yeah, 22nd of November, sorry, when I brewed it. So it's had just over a month, and it's got so much going for it. It smells of, you know, a Christmas pudding that you can tell what that's been made from. The ingredients I've used, and taste-wise, oh, it's like a sherry. It's beautiful. Oh. Anyway, look out for the video for that. So as I was saying, guys, thanks for helping me out in the comments. There's so many knowledgeable people out there that are commenting on the comments, in the comment thread, should I say, and that's a huge help, because if you don't see me actively commenting on everything, it is purely because of a lack of time. And unfortunately, I do have a day job, and if I didn't have the day job, I would continue to comment on everything I see. And for the moment, I don't think I've missed many, but don't get me wrong. There's every morning I wake up and I have a look and think, oh my God, this is growing so fast, and there's so many people commenting there. And 99.999% of the comments are great, but there have been a few not so nice comments, commenting on the way I do things, and questioning my knowledge of this hobby. And hey, I am not a master brewer. I just have been doing homebrew a long time, and there are no doubt others out there with more knowledge than I have. And I salute you, but there's no need to be, insulting in the comments. And so you may see them for a while, and then they will just get deleted, because I'm not here to have arguments with the general public. I'm here to enjoy myself and make these videos, put them in front of you, and God willing, you enjoy them, which I think you do, from what I've been reading. So regards what's coming up, guys, I've got at least another 4 or 5 videos that are all Christmas based. Today's Christmas Day, and I've got to go to work between Christmas and New Year for at least a couple of days, so getting them all edited and getting them out before New Year so that they are topical for this time of year is going to be fun. But I will try my best, at least get a couple of them out. This being one of them. No, and I'm going to blow my own trumpet here and say this is probably going to be the tastiest one of them all. Oh my God, it's too early to be drinking stuff this good. Should save it for later in the day. Oh, just a little bit more, eh? Which one was it? That one. A little bit. Anyway, guys, thanks for being part of the journey so far. Last couple of days, the channel reached 5,000 subscribers, and the momentum is great. It really puts a smile on my face to see how it's growing, and we've got such a diverse group of people on this channel now, that from all over the world. I converse with in the comments, and Philippines, Australia, Spain, Portugal, UK, Canada, America, oh, Finland with the recent I almost said kill you video I made. A few Scandinavians have been commenting on that, because obviously that's their bag, baby. Cheers to you in Scandinavia, that is. A little bit more. So yeah, wherever you are in the world, guys, have a Merry Christmas. Drink responsibly. I know I may look like a total, you know what, drinking all the time. I'm not, but I do a lot on camera for you guys. And I do enjoy a drink. I went out last night and I had a few drinks with my wife and friends, like I said, drink responsibly. That's all I can say. It's a message that I need to put across in these videos more often, because I'll be brutally honest with you, until the other day when I made that kill you video, I hadn't thought at all about the implications of what I do, what I encourage. It just never dawned on me, and it's something my wife said, you know, be careful you're not promoting alcoholism, and maybe it's time for a message in your videos. So, and she's dead right, she really is. I've seen alcoholism firsthand, and it's not funny, should we say. It's a problem that will have torn some families apart, and I don't want to be seen promoting that. I want to be seen promoting drinking in moderation, should we say. Quality drinks in moderation. So yes, from now on there'll be some messages in the descriptions regarding responsible drinking, and I will promote that on camera too. Anyway, on that note, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, Pete, and you're promoting responsible drinking. Guys, be safe, have a Merry Christmas, and thanks for being part of the channel. Cheers.